Well, guys, needless to say, I didn't walk today because it is storming here in Houston. And just as I got ready to start walking inside on the treadmill my husband got me, my father called and my glasses are wet. I had to jump in the car and head over to my father's. So I am leaving Kroger's right now, and since I'm over here in this area, I thought, why not stop at the Goodwill? So my next stop will be the Goodwill, and then I'm gonna go home because we have a severe weather coming to us. It's supposed to rain harder today than it is right now. And why would you pull out in front of me like that? And we're supposed to get freeze today. Well, tomorrow. It's supposed to start tonight, I'm assuming, that we're going to be in freezing. And Houston don't do well in freezing. Yeah. And I'm upset with myself because I didn't get to convert the fireplace like I wanted to. Your girl is scared of bugs. And it's a gas plate in there with the fake logs, the thing that's in there. Well, that can come out. And the fireplace does have that thing where you can burn wood in there. And I want to take that insert out and burn me wood, which I can do. But the chute thing that you open to let the smoke out, well, it hasn't been open since we lived in this house. So I don't know what's living in there. And if I open it and creatures fall on me, you'll be coming to my funeral. I'm going to put it like that. Because your girl is terrified of spiders and bugs. And if I open that thing and they fall on me, I'm going to leave my house. I will not be living there anymore. So my brother was supposed to come down and I was going to have him open it and clean it out for me. But he didn't make it down, so I didn't get it done. Because I would rather have that open and be able to burn wood than if we have a power outage. Now, if we end up having a power outage, then I won't have any choice but to open it. And I still might do it. I might clean out the bottom part and then call my brother-in-law and see if he can stop by and open it for me. Because your girl is scared of bugs for real. And if I can get it open, which I should have did a while back, and I kept thinking about doing it, and I kept putting it off. And putting it off and putting it off. Well, my husband's health was going up and down, up and down, up and down. And every time I had somebody able to do it, he would get sick, and then that would wash it away. But let's see. But I know, if I'm not mistaken, I think JJ will be back here, if not today, tomorrow. So if JJ comes tomorrow, I'll have JJ open it and look up in there for me and see if it's clean enough for me to do wood. If it's not, then I'll have to get a chimney sweep. But I'm thinking it is. So we'll just have to see, because your girl really wants to burn wood in the fireplace. Because burning the gas logs in the fireplace, your gas bill was subject to be $300 to $400 just for one evening, a couple of hours. And if we have a power outage, then I'll need heat 24/7 through this freeze. So I'm just trying to get my ducks in order. And just you know what, I dropped the ball, but that's neither here or there. But I'm out walking today, running errands. errands for my dad, and I picked up cases of water, you know, that kind of stuff. I picked up cases of water. I picked up some soups and stuff like that, some fruit and some vegetables so I can make chicken noodle soup. And so that is my plan, to make stews and soup during this cold splash we're having here. So if it's not raining like it is right now in Houston, tomorrow I will get back on the walking thing. My plan was to do it in the house, but so much is going on today to get ready for this storm and all this rain. It just threw me off. I've been out the house since about 7:45. I had to go check on my dad, get some things done for him, and get some things for my husband. And I'm still running, and it's my time. It's 11:30. So by the time I get through running this errands and get back to my dad and get home, it'll be after 2. So we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the inside walk in today, but I'm definitely going to get up in the morning and do it in the house, because I'm running everything today, so I don't have to do anything tomorrow. So I might do an inside walk tomorrow, and I do have some over 40 inside exercises that I want to try, so I might be doing those too. So it might be 2 videos come out, who knows, but we'll see how tomorrow goes, because you know, life been over here on Creative Lane, and sometimes I just can't get done what I actually want to get done, because life be lifing. But I just want to touch bases with you guys and let you know that I haven't abandoned the walk. It's just the weather and lifing has avoided me of doing it today. But it will be something tomorrow, most definitely. Even this evening, I'm not gonna lie. By the time I get through with my dad and get home, it's gonna be 2:30-ish, 3 o'clock-ish. And it'll be time to get my husband ready to go to dialysis. And doing any kind of workout after then, it'll be pointless. But I'm here at Goodwill. I'm gonna run in right quick because I have my eye on looking for something, and I'm pretty sure they might have it. So hopefully I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye bye.